Got the boys here from HB Next. They're touching up my silt fence. Over the course of the job, we need to touch it up every once in a while. We've got Nick and Juan downstairs. Should probably finish framing the first floor today. We're continuing with block on the second floor. Here is inspection day at building 14. Got both the county inspector, and then our third-party engineer coming to inspect 2 inspections. It all has to do with up above. So the first inspection is roof sheathing inspection. That's to make sure everything is nailed appropriately on the decking, the plywood, okay? And the other inspection is what we call tie downs. So if you remember, all of those hurricane straps that come up out of the concrete at the top of the block and then are attached to the trusses, so that the whole assembly is anchored all the way down to earth. And if we pass that, you might have seen an earlier video where we were loading the roofing supplies on the roof. Once we pass that, I can tell the roofer you could come and do what's called dry in. We call it dry in, and that's basically just only the underlayment. There's some of it. So we don't set the shingles yet. We don't set the shingles. We just do the dry in, and that basically makes the building waterproof. Then once the second floor is all framed, the mechanicals come through. So the AC guy and electrician need a dry roof, so to install their stuff. We don't want water in any of that. So once all of their penetration, so the plumber puts his vents through the roof, and on the second floor, the AC guy has to vent his fans for like bathrooms and laundry, the dryer machine. Once those penetrations are done, then I can call the roofers in to put all the shingles. But it's a bad practice to go shingles before all those penetrations are in. Sure, you may say, oh, just come back and put the boots on those penetrations, but it's a bad idea, and I'm just not going to build that way. So anyway, Tuesday, off to a good start. Still waiting for the street sweeper clean this mess up.